As you all can see here, this is the project, our final year project, the vending machine for medical kit. Now we'll see how it goes. So here, as you can see, we have two trays fitted with 4 PVC pipes which are cut in a spring-like manner. In the first, we have crocin tablets kept. In the second compartment, we have a COVID test kit. In the third, we have a mask. And the fourth, we have kept it as empty so we can put any additional products. Now, this machine is fixed in such a manner where we use it completely contactless. That is, as compared to the traditional ones, this machine doesn't have any buttons. So it's a purely contactless machine. As you can see here, this is the PCB board we have designed, which consists of transistors, resistors, connectors and relays, and a switching control circuit. And this logic circuit will be working simultaneously with the ESP32 module. Now coming to the app part, software part of the project.
Okay, so this is the app we've created to control the vending machine, so the user can input what products they want. So as it starts, so we connect on the Bluetooth for the USB module. So as you can see, it is connected. So then suppose the user wants mask, so click on the mask. As you can see, the quantity is turned yellow, so you know there is quantity available. There are masks in the vending machine. So now you want one mask, so you click and enter one here and you press order.
As you can see here, the motor started moving and the mask was dispatched. We will show you another retake of the mask falling out from the spring. So this is how our project works. Thank you.